What's wrong with you? How are you snoring with your eyes open? What? But you're awake. Oh no. You're a trip.